Welcome to Saliqa Mag. This is fifth video of the course Dressmaking for Beginners. Today we will learn how to make a sleeve pattern and how to cut the sleeve. I'm your sewing instructor Sara. I have 3 years of diploma and 9+ years of teaching experience. So let's start today's lesson, and if you miss any video you can check the playlist how the dressmaking for beginners. And see, I'm taking a 2-fold sheet for the pattern making, and you can take total length of whatever your sleeve. If you don't know how to take the total length of your sleeve, you can check my video how to take the body measurement. So from here I'm just going to mark a 3 inches down. This 3 inches is standard, just you have to mark here a dotted line because this is just a helping line. I will explain you how why we are marking this line. See, that's how you just mark your 3 inches down. And now on this 3 inches we need a slant line of chest divide by 4. Whatever is your chest, you have to divide it by 4, and you can mark here a slant like this. So that's why we have to mark here 3 inches down, that how down our this slant line should be. So hope you understand the concept. Now next thing is mark your total length. Here I'm taking 22 for a full sleeve. So same way you can make half sleeve, but here I'm going to make a full sleeve. So here you just have mark a straight line and then measure your sleeve width from front like this, or whatever you want. Here if you want loose you can take it like 10, or if you want fitted you can take it like 8. So here I'm taking it 10. So for 10, because this is in 2/4, so I just mark here the 5 inches. Now I'm just going to join this line to this line. So this is automatically a slant line here. No need to mark extra fitting lines. This is already your fitted line is this slant line actually. Now here I'm going to mark my curve for the armhole. So for as a helping line you have to mark 1 inch upside, just to mark your curve, something like this. So after that this is our actually the back side of sleeve, and here we are going to make a little deeper shape. As you remember that in dress part also we give here at this point a deeper curve, because we want here fitted shape. So that's why we also make here a deeper shape for the front only. So let me write down. This is our total length. This is 3 inches, that is standard. Means you also have to take 3 inches down, and this is chest divide by 4. What is your chest, you have to divide it by 4 and you will get this line. And this is 1 inch, just a helping line to make here a curve. So our pattern is almost ready. Now I'm going to cut this pattern, and I will show you how you can trace this pattern on the fabric. So guys, if any question, any doubt, you can feel free to ask me, and please give me your feedback, and please at least press a thumbs up button, so YouTube will know that more people are liking my video. So it will really help me to grow on YouTube. And see, that's how you have to cut here for the back side, and then only take 1 fold like this, and then cut the deeper side only for the front, because this deeper shape we only need front cutting. And there is a different method of making the sleeve, but this is the very simple and basic method of making a sleeve for the beginners. So see, there is not so much lines that beginners got confused. So this is very basic pattern. So now we will start cutting with the fabric. We need a fabric of your length, total length to 22 inches, plus we have to add 2 inches down for the folding and ½ inch upside for the stitching. So let's start quickly the marking on the fabric. So this is, I have four folds. See, this is 2 fold, and now I'm going to fold it in 4 folds. So in only one step we can cut our 2 sleeves. So see, that's how you have to fold it, and make sure that you press it properly. And after that, place your pattern on this fabric, and if anything not equal here, because in cotton sometimes fabric is not equal from one part, so you can make smooth it, or anyways this will go in the cutting part. So now I'm going to place my pattern, and you need a lot of pins. And as you can see, my pin cushion is almost empty because my kids love to play with these pins anyways. So here we need ½ inch, and here we need 1 inch on the fitting lines. So just pin up it properly. Don't skip this step, because beginners are more excited to start the stitching part. But this all marking and all this thing is very important, because even some centimeter difference is a lot when you make your size dress, so it will affect your size. So be careful and precise about the marking. So I pin up all the way, and now I'm going to mark here. First I will mark exactly the pattern. Remember that our pattern doesn't have any seam allowances. I will add seam allowances later. I do this way because pattern has already so much line, so we will, if we add in the pattern the cutting line and the sewing lines, so beginners will confuse. So that's why I always add seam allowances later. So this pattern don't have any seam allowances. So see, that's how exactly you have to trace first. Now after that, better you can remove your pattern, so you can clearly see your lines, and then I will add the seam allowances. On the fitting line I need 1 inch on the side, and see here we need 1 inch all the way, and after that we need ½ inch on the curve. So hope you guys understand this. See here, you can add 2 inches on a safer side, otherwise 1 inch is also enough, but on a safer side you can add 2 inches. So here we are going to join all these lines, and if any question, any doubt, you can ask me. And don't forget to subscribe, and please if possible write some comment and share with your friends and family who are interested to learn this sewing and pattern making for beginners. In this course, dressmaking for beginners, I already teach you the how to take body measurement, make the basic draft, and we also completed a neckline. So if you miss any video, you can check in my playlist. So now I'm just going to cut this, and after that I will just start cutting the front part, because front is deeper. But first I will cut only the back on the all 4 folds. And see, I'm just marking here a cut, so I know that this is my center. Now I'm taking it like this, and now here I will start marking my deeper curve for front only. See, that's how you have to mark your front. And see this, and make sure that it's not don't cut from the starting, otherwise it will affect your size. Cut from this way like this, and this way you can make here a shape. So now our sleeve is almost ready for the stitching. We will stitch the this side seams, the fitting lines, but all this I will show you in the next upcoming video. but give me your response that you like this video, and in next video we will learn how to attach these sleeves with the dress. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for joining Saliqa Mag. Bye bye, take care.